What is good, everybody? Parker York Smith here. Welcome back to my channel. So I did something recently that I have not done in a very long time. I went to the new Kith store in LA. It's relatively new. It was my first time going. I just wanted to go check it out. I hadn't been yet. I did not expect to actually buy anything, but of course I'm a sucker, and I did. I splurged on something that I shouldn't have, but I'm excited about it. So today we're gonna be unboxing what is in this bag, and then I'm gonna show you how to style it. This actually works well because I've had you guys asking me questions about how to style different types of sneakers. So this is a very popular type right now that we're gonna go through. I'm excited to show you. Let's just do this thing. There they are, the Vapormax 97. It's the classic Air Max 97 upper with the new school Vapormax midsole. It's literally walking on air. Look at those bad boys. So awesome. And I mean, you can't go wrong with the silver bullet colorway of the Air Max 97. It's one of the most classic old school sneakers for me. Quick little story, when I was in like 7th grade, it was the first year I ever wore adult sizes. It was the same year that the 97s came out, and they were 150 bucks, which everyone in school was crazy about them. But as I've mentioned in the past, you guys know that my birthday is on August 30th, so it falls right in the beginning of the school year. So my mom would always buy me the hottest new sneaker so I could have it for school. And so everyone's parents were kind of like, no chance I'm spending 150 bucks on your school shoes. But my mom bought me the 97s for my birthday, so I was the coolest kid in school because I was the only one to have the original pair. So these are a little bit sentimental for me, so I couldn't resist. I had to grab them, and I'm extremely excited that I did. They are so comfortable. We've got the silver all around the bottom. The silver stripes along the side are actually the 3M material, so when you hit them with a flash, they light up like at nighttime. I love the nice little pop of red with the sewn swoosh. It is a killer shoe that is just extremely cool and not like a lot of other things that you're gonna see. I haven't tried any of the other Vapormaxes yet. I definitely would like to get another pair, but these are my first jump back into the kind of world of hype sneakers, the new cool thing. So I'm really excited to have these. And honestly, the way that I look into styling a shoe like this is very similar to a lot of other sneakers, except when it's something that I want this shoe to do most of the talking for me with my outfit, I think about the shoe first. I always build from the ground up. I think it's time we style these bad boys. Let's do this. This one is a perfect way for older adults or people who are just trying to be a little bit more minimalistic with their style to still be able to rock some really cool, bold sneakers. And that's just a white Oxford shirt and some slim denim. It's a casual outfit that works for tons of different occasions, but it's also kind of adult and really clean and nice. So I like it in the sense that it still kind of lets the sneakers pop and do the talking, but it doesn't really make you look like you're trying to be someone you're not, or you're trying to be too young. It's a perfect way for you guys who are interested in Jordans, who are interested in the new Air Maxes, but you don't want to have to dress the whole part that comes along with it. Next up, we've got an outfit that's just a little bit more on the edgy side for you guys who are comfortable pushing yourselves a little bit more. It's just a striped t-shirt, a light wash denim jacket with some black denim, and gray dress socks. Because I'm wanting to let the sneakers do the talking in the outfit, I cuffed the pants a couple times, went with a muted sock. Otherwise, everything else is pretty toned down. Nothing else is too loud because I want all of the attention going right to my shoes. Up next, we've got our super athletic inspired outfit for those days when you're kind of just running errands, but you want to look nice. So we've got this pullover, some dark slim sweatpants, and just a simple black watch with some no-show socks and the sneakers. I love the way that the all black just blends together, but then the shoes explode with their color, especially if you're wearing them at night. Because like I talked about, they have that 3M material, so they just blow up with light as soon as any light hits them. Okay guys, so that is 3 ways to style the new Vapormax 97 from Nike. The gold colorway is actually coming out, I think, next month. I'm gonna start to try to do more sneaker related content on the channel. I tried to deny myself the fact that I love it so much. I act like I'm growing out of it or that it's not for me anymore, but the more I tried to deny it, the more I realize it's part of my soul. It's who I am. I have to just accept it. I have to embrace it. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already, tell a friend about the channel, and as always, gotta do it for you, not them. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.